Did you know that celery is not just a simple kitchen vegetable for soups or stir fries, but also a wonderful source of nutrients that may help keep your skin looking firm and refreshed? It may sound surprising, but today I'm going to share with you a simple DIY celery face mask that you can easily make at home. And the results might pleasantly surprise you from the very first try. I share simple and natural recipes that anyone can make right at home. To start making this natural celery face mask, prepare about 100 grams of fresh celery. Celery is rich in valuable antioxidants such as apigenin, luteolin, tannins, and saponins, all of which act like a natural shield to slow down signs of aging, fade, dark spots, and help keep the skin firm. Next, rinse the celery thoroughly with a bit of salt to remove any dirt or residue. Thanks to its ability to support the body's natural collagen production, celery may help soften the look of age spots, improve skin elasticity, and leave your complexion looking smoother and more radiant. Next, cut the celery into small pieces. This not only makes it easier to blend smoothly, but also helps release more of its natural nutrients, giving better results for your beauty recipe. Celery isn't just a nutritious food, it's also valued as a gentle, natural ingredient for skincare suitable for both middle-aged women and older adults. After that, place the chopped celery into a glass bowl along with about a 1/2 cup 100 ml of filtered water as the base. This is the first step in creating a nutrient-rich mixture to nourish your skin. Next, blend it thoroughly until smooth so the nutrients can be fully released. After blending, strain the mixture through a sieve to remove the pulp, keeping only the pure celery juice. This is the part that contains plenty of vitamins, minerals, and valuable antioxidants, making it easier for your skin to absorb and benefit from. Have you ever tried using celery for your skincare routine? If yes, please share your method in the comments so that everyone can learn from each other. The next ingredient is cornstarch. It may look simple, but it actually offers some surprising benefits for the skin. Cornstarch contains protein along with essential minerals such as copper, zinc, phosphorus, and magnesium. These nutrients help support skin elasticity and firmness while slowing down visible signs of aging. Add about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to a glass bowl. Cornstarch helps absorb excess oil and impurities, leaving the skin feeling cleaner, smoother, and refreshed. When combined with celery juice, it not only boosts antioxidant power, but also helps balance the skin, creating a gentle and natural face mask that's especially suitable for women in midlife. Once you have both the celery juice and cornstarch, simply stir them well until the mixture becomes smooth and consistent. This will be the base for our natural face mask. Next, it's time to cook the mixture. Pour the celery juice and cornstarch into a small pot. Turn the heat to medium and keep stirring continuously. This step allows the cornstarch to dissolve completely, preventing lumps and keeping the texture silky without sticking to the bottom of the pot. As you cook, you'll notice the mixture gradually turning smooth and slightly translucent. This is the perfect sign that it's ready. At this stage, the nutrients from the celery and cornstarch have blended, forming a silky mask base that's easy to spread and stays well on the skin. What about you? Do you have any traditional tips or home remedies for skincare? Share them in the comments so we can all learn from each other. Once the mixture is smooth, turn off the heat and carefully pour it into a clean glass jar for storage and later use. Let it cool down naturally for a few minutes before applying. This is an important step to make sure it's safe for your skin and avoids any irritation from heat. By cooking it the right way, you've now created a perfect base, rich in nutrients and with a smooth texture, ready to be combined with other natural ingredients for anti-aging and brightening effects. Pour this precious extract into a clean glass bowl, preparing it for the next steps where we'll add different ingredients to complete the recipe. Once the celery and cornstarch mixture has cooled down slightly, we move on to the next important step: adding olive oil. Just about 1 tablespoon of pure olive oil is enough. Olive oil has long been called liquid gold in beauty care thanks to its nourishing vitamins and natural antioxidants. Next, mix everything well so the olive oil blends smoothly into the base. Olive oil is rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, along with powerful antioxidants such as polyphenols. These nutrients help neutralize free radicals, slow down visible signs of aging, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and keep the skin looking healthy, smooth, and radiant. In addition, olive oil provides deep hydration, helping to prevent dryness and flakiness, something many people often notice as the skin matures. The final step to complete this natural face mask is adding a touch of serum. Often called a beauty elixir in skincare, serum provides instant hydration, leaving the skin soft, smooth, and refreshed. Simply add about 1 tablespoon of your favorite serum into the bowl with celery, cornstarch, and olive oil, then mix well until everything blends. Serum also helps calm sensitive skin, soothe redness or irritation, and even reduce puffiness while minimizing the look of pores. Thanks to its antioxidant content, it also supports skin protection against environmental stressors and helps slow down visible signs of aging. Mix everything until well combined. Once the cornstarch, celery, olive oil, and serum blend into one, you'll have a natural collagen mask that helps brighten the skin, improve firmness, and soften the look of fine lines and dark spots. This is a simple, safe, and natural beauty secret that anyone can try at home. How to use it is very easy. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, neck, and areas that often show signs of aging, such as wrinkles or pigmentation. These are the spots that need extra care to stay smooth and youthful. After applying, leave the mask on for about 30 minutes to let the nutrients from celery, cornstarch, olive oil, and rose water absorb deeply into the skin. Finally, rinse thoroughly with warm water to keep your skin fresh and soft. With consistent use after just 15 days, you may notice visible improvements, brighter, smoother, and firmer skin, while dark spots and fine lines gradually fade. For the leftover mixture, seal it tightly and store it in the refrigerator. This natural mask can be kept for up to 7 days. It's a safe, simple, and affordable way to care for your skin right at home. Perfect for anyone looking for a gentle yet effective beauty solution. As we enter middle age, both our skin and overall health need gentle yet proper care. Natural ingredients like celery and olive oil are not only easy to find, but also bring lasting benefits, helping the skin look brighter, reducing wrinkles, and bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. Consider this a small daily habit that nurtures your body from the inside out. And that's it. We've just finished making a natural celery collagen face mask. With just a few simple ingredients, you now have a gentle natural mask that can help your skin feel smoother, look fresher, and appear more radiant. A small but very useful tip for anyone who wants to care for their beauty safely and naturally. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more natural health and beauty tips. Thank you for watching, and I wish you and your family good health, peace, and happiness. See you in the next video.